If you want to quickly save a website in Opera browser so you can come back to it anytime, bookmarking is the easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bookmark a website in Opera browser in just a few simple clicks. This is super useful for saving your favorite sites, research pages, work tools, shopping links, or anything else you visit often. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Opera browser and go to the website page that you want to save. This can be any web page you want to revisit later. Once the page is fully loaded, look at the very top of the browser where the address bar is located. This is the bar where you normally type in website names or URLs. Now, look all the way to the far right side of that address bar. You should see a heart icon at the end of the bar. This heart is the bookmark button in Opera. When you're on the page you want to save, click that heart icon once. As soon as you click it, a small pop-up menu will appear. This menu gives you a few options before saving the bookmark. Here, you can change the title of the bookmark if you want something easier to remember. You can also click the drop-down menu to choose exactly where you want to save it, such as your bookmarks bar or another folder. Take a moment to make any changes you want. If the page name is long or unclear, this is a great chance to rename it so it's easier to find later. And if you like keeping things organized, choosing the right folder can save you time when you're searching for the bookmark again in the future. Once everything looks good, click Done to save the bookmark. In some cases, you may also be able to simply click away and Opera will keep the bookmark saved automatically. After that, your website is officially bookmarked and ready for quick access whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to bookmark a website in Opera browser in a simple and fast way. This is one of those small browser tips that can make your workflow a lot smoother, especially if you manage lots of websites every day. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials, browser tips, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.